Hi there, this is Miss Randi from the Vortex with another session of Team Crafternoons. Today we're going to be making pipe cleaner rings, very much like this one. And all we're going to need is 4 pipe cleaners. Let me show you how to get started. 3 are going to be for your petals and 1 is going to be for your leaf. To start with, you want to line your petal pipe cleaners up. You want to find the center of those pipe cleaners and you're going to want to twist them together. So they kind of end up looking like cat whiskers. So now we're going to make the base of the ring and we're going to fit it to our finger. So we want to take the twisted part and put it on the underside of your finger. So it's going to be like that, with the pipe cleaners straight up in the air. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the ends and we're going to twist them all together. Now you want to make sure that you can slide, that it's not too tight, that you can slide the ring off of your finger. So you can go ahead and do that. And then once you finish sliding the ring off, you want to take each end, pipe cleaner end, and sort of flatten them out into a star shape. Just like that. So you have your ring base and then you have each petal sort of flattened out like that. Next we're going to take one piece. You're going to bend the tip of the pipe cleaner just like that. Then you're going to roll the pipe cleaner kind of like a little pill bug. You keep rolling it until you get to the center of your ring. I'm going to do it one more time. Well, actually, I'm going to do it for all of the petals. So you just want to bend the end again. And you're going to roll the pipe cleaner to the center. And like I said, you're going to do these for each pipe cleaner that you have here. So now we've rolled all of the pipe cleaners towards the center, and what we want to do is kind of shape them so it looks more like a flower. I kind of like to flatten them out a little bit, but it's however you want your flower to look. So that's pretty good right there. So now we want to add the leaf. And we're going to do that by sort of turning the ring over. We're going to take our green pipe cleaner and we're going to sort of center it underneath all the petals. And we're going to wrap it around. And I usually wrap it around twice. So you'll see you'll end up with it looking like that. And you're going to do the same thing with the leaf ends that you did with the petals. So you're just going to bend the end of the pipe cleaner and then roll it towards the center. Do the same thing on the other side. Bend the end and roll it towards the center. Now for this one, if you want it to look more like a leaf, you can leave them rounded, but I like to pinch the ends of the pipe cleaner so that they have that leaf shape. And then you get your flower ring. Now you can add more than 3 pipe cleaners. I've made ones that look more like roses that have 6 pipe cleaners. It's the same process, it's just obviously adding more pipe cleaners. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you do decide to make this at home, share it with us on social media using a hashtag #FountaindaleLib. For more programs like this, visit our website at fountaindale.org/events. Hope to see you soon.